One of the most important parts of your YouTube channel is brand. You have to have a brand. What does that mean? That means you need a logo, banner art, channel art. All that coincides with each other. That way when they see one symbol in one place, they recognize that to be you wherever they see it at. If you're driving down the road, for instance, and you see a big golden arch, M, what is that? I don't even have to tell you. If you're on the internet and you see the little bird floating around, little blue one, what's that? Okay, it's Twitter. These are all examples because you need to come up with some way to brand your channel and your content that you can share that across your website, your blog, which those are the same things. But you have this art, you can display it on your channel icon, your banner across the top of your YouTube channel, and it will appear also on mobile devices. They just resize it. And I'm going to share how you can create professional looking art and banners free without any experience in Photoshop or anything like that. We're going to cover that in a video coming up.